But then this happens a lot. Sometimes you do something, it's a fail. The first times I used to not proceed with the video. If I had a footage, I delete. Let me just kneel, because it is by the grace of God that I made it. I was going to give away these pants, but now Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Palm and I do lots of DIYs and random videos. So today, this was my brother's track pants, and it is quite big. Let me just show you. It is very big. So I wanted to make it into a two-piece, but I will do them in two separate videos. So I will make the shorts now, and then in the next video I will do the top. Okay, so now what I'm going to do basically is to just add dots to this, the front and the back, so that the waist fits nicely. And then the length, I think I want something like at that point that I have marked. Yeah, so that is where I'm going to cut for my shorts. Yeah, so let me just lay it down so that we can proceed, but you get the concept. The concept is, okay, I'm trying to put you to see. The concept is I will put dots here, like going down like this, also at the back this side and this side, so that the waist fits better. I don't mind the fitting of these other parts towards the thigh, so mainly we are going to focus on the waist. So let's do this. Yeah. Okay, so now this is my pair of pants. So this is how long I would like the short to be. So I will just fold it so that I can cut. So this is what I have. But I feel like I should make this line a bit inclined. So okay, so this is what we have now. So I'm just going to measure halfway, like half of this point, like here where I'm going to put the dots, half of this point and the back also. So now I'll measure the waist. So for the waist, I've told you I don't have a problem with the fitting of the bottom part, so I'm just going to snatch the waist. So the waist is about 36 inches and my waist roughly is 28 inches. So 36 minus 28, we get 8 inches. So we have to reduce 8 inches from this top part. And we have 4 points. The front, 2 dots, the back, 2 dots. So 8 divided by 4, we get 2 inches. So I will do a dot of 2 inches each. 2 inches, 2 inches at the back, 2 inches, 2 inches at the front. So I want to make the dart like 5 inches long. So I'm just going to mark down 5 inches. Like this is the point I want my dart to stop. Okay, I think this is better done when it is inside out. So let me just transfer these marks to the back. going to be that long. And then since we are doing 2 inches for each dart, so one side of the dart will have 1 inch, another side of the dart will have another 1 inch. So that is what I'm going to do. 1 inch, 1 inch. And then just put them like that towards the end of the dart as it narrows down. Yeah, like that. So I'm gonna do the same for every other. Okay, good. Then now what I'm going to do is fold that part and pin so that we sew it down like that. So we have our darts here and the back. So I'm just going to sew them down like that, and then I come back and show you. So I am done. I sewed down the darts. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. At the front also. Yeah, so it looks something like that. So if we turn it inside out, the right side out, so we have something like that. I'm not sure if you can see the darts nicely. Yeah, but it's here and here, and the back also here and here. So now what's remaining is the bottom. I think what I want to do is I'll hem it upwards like this way, and then I fold it like this. Let me just show you. Like this is the right side, so I want to fold it up like this so that we have the contrast. Yeah, so I'm just going to pin that and then sew it, and then we'll be done. Okay. So I'm done pinning here and here. So you can just have an up close look. Just folded it upwards and pinned, so I'm going to sew around like that for both of them. So I'm done. This is the bottom. I have hemmed it. This side also hemmed it very nicely. This is how the shorts look like. Yeah, so because I'm rushing somewhere, I'm coming to model it for you guys in a few. Okay. Hi guys. It is the next day. I didn't get a chance to try out the shorts, but you know what, it was a fail. So I did the darts and forgot to leave allowance for wearing it. So me, I'm here trying to put it on, and it just got to the hips and it could not pass. So I had to do some magic. So you remember I had darts the front, yeah. I also had darts at the back, but I had to undo them, the ones at the back, so that I have allowance to pass through my hips. So now the plan is, so now you see the distance from the side all the way the back to this other side. So the front is fine, but for the back now, what I will do, I have just cut an elastic of about 10 inches. So my waist is, let me just say 28, So divide by 2 because the front part is already covered. So divide by 2 is 14. And I cannot do an elastic of 14. And already these pants are big. So I cut about 10 inches so that when I stretch along this whatever, this back part of the short, it will like fit and gather it. Makes sense? Okay, basically I'm just going to put the elastic inside the shorts at the back of the shorts like this. Here's the other end, like that, and sew it from the inside so that it will be gathered and then fit my waist perfectly. Makes sense? Yes. And then the shirt is done because I'd already hemmed the bottom and the darts at the front are okay. So I'm just going to sew this here, gather it to this other side, the back of the short, and then I show you guys. So this is what I meant. I took an elastic, put it at the back so that, oopsie, it gathers the short at the back so that it can fit my waist properly. So this is how I have done it. I just put the elastic there, stretched it over, and you can see I sewed over, yeah, the half back of the shorts. So now I can try it on for you guys. But then this happens a lot. Sometimes you do something, it's a fail. The first times I used to not proceed with the video. If I had a footage, I delete. But nowadays we just correct our mistakes, get plan B and move on. So yeah, now I can try on the shorts for you guys. Okay, so you guys remember how big it was, but now it's fitting me very nicely. Yeah, and I'm still glad I have my pockets, you know. Yeah, I was going to give away these pants, but now I can't. Yeah, but now I don't think I will because I can wear them. When I went to go for a walk, I went to stay in the house. Yeah, it's so comfortable, and I'm so happy I didn't tamper with the hips part. Yeah, I love it. I love it. Considering it was already a fail, let me just kneel because it is by the grace of God that I made it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Until the next video, I'm not saying bye fast. Moral of the story, moral of today's tutorial: don't give up. There's always another way around the situation. And don't be ashamed of your failure because you learn from it. Yeah? School fees. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.